Today our prompt says, what else might rat say? Write some more lines for rat at the end of the play. To answer this prompt, let's go back in our story, The Big Yucca Plant, and look at what rat does as a character. I want to point out here that Mom says we should ask Pig because Pig is big. Is rat big? Let's go ahead and look. Well, listen here.
Narrator, they all tug, but the plant is still stuck. Lola, should we ask that rat to help? Paco, a rat? A rat is little, he can't help. Rat, yes I can.
So even though rat is little, he says, yes, I can help. Let's see what rat does.
Rat, take this vine, tie it to the plant. We all must tug on the vine. Lola, yes, do as rat said. Narrator, they get in a line. Lola, grab the vine and tug.
So we see that rat's kind of clever because rat decided that they need to use this vine, which we could call like a tool, to help pull out the yucca plant. Let's see if rat's plan works.
Dad, it is out at last. Anna, what a fine yucca. Pig, it could win a prize. Mom, we all must thank rat. Lola, you are little, but you are wise. All, thank you.
So they all say thank you to rat because his plan worked to get the yucca plant out. What's the usual response after someone says thank you? What do people usually respond with? They usually respond with, you're welcome. So rat would probably, the next thing he would say is, you're welcome. Now, rat, like you said, as we saw, they said he's little, but he's wise. So it seems like he might want to tell them that, you know, he couldn't have done it by himself. He still needed other people to help. So let's put the idea down that, you know, we need to work together. Because even though, like I said, rat's plan was great, he couldn't have pulled the yucca plant out without everybody else. One more thing rat might mention is that small animals can help too. And that's actually a good thing for us to remember, friends. It's kind of like the moral of the story or the lesson of the story. Even if you're small, you can still help. I want you to write these 3 ideas down. This will be what rat will say at the end of the story. These are just our notes. We'll do the writing tomorrow. But remember, write down you're welcome, we work together, and small animals can help too. I'm now going to have us take a look at some grammar. So if you still need this, make sure you pause on the screen and finish writing this. I'm going to talk about some grammar now. So we start the name of a play with a capital letter. All of the important words in the title are also capitalized. Little words like the, and, of, and, or in are not capitalized unless they are the first or last words in the title. The title of the play is also underlined. So take a look here. I read Time to Plant. It's underlined. To is not capitalized, but the other 2 words are. I'm going to go ahead and model how I capitalize this one down here. It says, I like the play A Day in the Park. Well, the name of the play is A Day in the Park. So I'm going to go ahead and underline this to start. And now I'm going to look at the words to decide if they need to be capitalized. So it says we start the name of a play with a capital letter. Well, this first letter needs to be capitalized then. And then it says all important words in the title are also capitalized, but little words aren't. So day, that's an important word, and it's not like one of those little words like to or in. We're not going to capitalize that one. The, nope, we're not going to capitalize that one either. Park Park is an important word. We'll capitalize that one. And make sure we have a period at the end. That part does not need to be underlined though, the period. Let's look at this one. Did you see the play Frog in the Water? So again, the name of the play is right after the word play. Let's underline it. And let's find, there's only one word that needs to be capitalized. So frog is already capitalized. In, well, that's a small word. The, that's another small word. Water, though, is an important word. So now you can see how we can capitalize the words in a play.